This distance.
This
You're gonna
distance.
always talk towards the circle. Just try to keep it in mind. Let's do it. Camera.
Perfect.
There we go.
What's up, everyone? My name is Zaviv. I'm the CEO and founder of Zaviv, and today I'm here with Gabriella. I'm going to be teaching Gabriella how to use AI agents in her business, in her content business that she's in. And I'm very excited. She's never used Claude before. She's never used Codex before. She doesn't know what OpenAI is.
No.
Today is a complete beginner tutorial, right? In Content HQ headquarters. Zaviv headquarters as well. And I'm very excited to show you guys. So how we're gonna start is we're gonna go right here into Claude. And we're gonna pick our coding agent. We have Claude here, we have the model. We have the permission settings over here. We have the level of effort. Now, to be honest with you, the best thing is just use Opus 5 high, bypass permissions, so that way you don't have to press yes. And I would open up like 4. Think about these like your AI employees, okay?
Okay, so the 4 employees right now.
Your 4 employees, we'll trust them all. And so you can see all these different employees in different views. So you could have them side by side in a grid to see them like running, right? You could have them in a different layout, like the pixel layout, right?
I want to see them as people.
People? Which one you want to pick?
People
The
in an office,
cafe,
let's see.
the garden. I like the garden. Look a little bit similar. We have
Very
the arcade.
zen, I like
the garden.
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll do this. I like that.
We'll do the garden.
That's
So now we see
cute.
all of them in the
That's
garden working.
cute.
So now they're all ready to work. You can make it rainy. You can make it larger. You could just have it normal.
No
You
way.
can make them a little bit bigger. Boom.
Wow.
Now we have them here. Sometimes I get out of place. So we're here. So now we're gonna go here. And we're gonna say, you've used Claude before, right?
A little bit.
Based on what you know about content
I would say that
HQ.
ChatGPT definitely has way more information on me and Content HQ. Both of them have. Claude I just started using more recently.
So we're gonna be like, based on what you know about Content HQ, what are some good things we could do to improve the business? Like, what are some good things we can do to improve our business? And then we'll also, while it's running, we'll exit out, we'll right click, we'll press agents, press Codex, which is like ChatGPT. We'll press bypass permissions, and we'll press one on, and we'll have Codex join. Codex goes in its own place, but we could always bring it here, drag it in, and have Codex bring them all together. There we go. So now we're gonna sign in.
And I get the code. It's so funny to see them all going to work, going to their desk.
So we just signed into ChatGPT.
Okay, nice.
So now we're signed in. So ChatGPT knows you better, so we're gonna be like, you wanna write it? Write something right now.
I'll
Let's see what you
say
got.
based on everything you know
You're a fast
about
typer.
me and what are some things you can do to benefit the business?
Yeah, this honestly,
Because
it's
am I
broad.
talking to it as the agent?
So basically, it is an agent. So it can come up with some
What are
ideas,
some
and
things-
then because you're in Codex and because you're on your actual computer, it can actually build stuff. So remember what I told you about the terminal before?
Yeah.
How your phone doesn't have a terminal. That's why I built a mobile app to connect that terminal on your computer. Because when it's on your computer, it can look at your files. It could edit files. It could create images and put them in your folder, or it could make a whole video and chop it up and make captions on top of it. So you have a lot more freedom when you use it on desktop within your actual terminal. Within this called a CLI. So it's like ChatGPT in the CLI. So it could do a lot of stuff. It could create a website for you. It could create an app for you. So that's the power you have right now. You could even be like, hey, I want you to create a website.
I need to revamp our website. So.
So here's what we're gonna do. What we're gonna do is we're gonna
gosh.
take your current website. We're gonna ask ChatGPT what are some ways we could improve this website, because we want to create an implementation plan to make a new and improved one.
I already started doing that in Claude too.
So what would you like to do right now?
The website would
The
be
website would
pretty
begin?
crazy. We could do the website.
So here, I want you to type. A good
So we'll
tip,
go
if
to
you
Claude.
want to delete all of this, you could actually just do Control U on Mac,
Is that for everything?
just for terminal.
Just in this? Nice. So can I, because basically I'll tell you my goals before I tell them my goals, but with our website, we have, like you said, or like you saw, we have like packages, hourly packages and like editing packages for our clients and stuff. So I want to build a website where our clients can log into their own account.
And you build them monthly,
And
or they get paid through the website.
Exactly. So that
Okay.
because right now I've been handling their creating their coupon code, keeping track of how many hours they've used, etc. So I want to build their own account to sign into so that they could see how many hours they have left. They could re-up and buy more hours if they need to, things like that.
I understand.
Is
And
that
what are you currently doing to build them?
To what?
To billing them, are you currently using a platform?
Yeah, I use Stripe.
Stripe. Okay, so we could actually just use the same Stripe account with the website connected, and then we can make it easier. All your existing customers could still stay, and then the newer ones, the newer subscriptions you get or one-time purchases can still go through your web application. So we can build a marketing page with a login that has like a portal, and then you have another portal for yourself to see to manage everything, the blog posts, all your customers, all the marketing stuff inside the website. So we can do it like that.
Because then I want my own admin account, but then also an employee dashboard so that every day our employees can come in and see, okay, this is so-and-so that they usually prefer. This is what they're shooting today. Like any notes that they put into their booking, then like our employees can see it.
Okay,
and
perfect.
Yeah, there's a lot of things that I want to do.
I want to build this website right now. We'll do like an hour right now.
Gosh, okay.
You ready for it?
Yeah.
Okay. So it'd be like create an implementation plan to copy. No, actually, when you say copy, I can't copy it according to my guidelines. So it would be like, okay, to recreate contenthqstudios.com website, new and improved. The goal is to create a marketing page of all the services that Content HQ offers. We also need a login for customers to be able to book packages, track their sessions, purchase more hours,
And services, I guess.
include some CTAs, which is all the actions, so get them to want to book more sessions. And then we'll be like, we also need a super admin portal to manage everything and use MongoDB for the database. So MongoDB and databases are ways to store data. And you're going to use that to be able to store all your users, who's paying, the packages. And you never really have to look in the database. So just connect the database to Codex, ChatGPT, and it'll be able to read it and write into it and do everything basically for you.
Nice. And so another thing is too, obviously since ChatGPT and Claude, mostly ChatGPT, knows the most ins and outs of our business. So with this prompt, are we also able to be like, so based off of everything that you know about my business and then have that prompt? Because since it already has so much information.
Also look into the memory of what you already know about Content HQ based on my previous chats with ChatGPT.
Yes.
And
Claude.
honestly,
Can you do and Claude? Or no, because they have to be separate agents.
I guess they're separate right now. So we're just gonna send this prompt right now. It says create an implementation plan. We're gonna go over it. We're gonna see if we like it. If we don't like any part of it, we'll like add on to more.
Cool.
So we like send. So that'll be working. In the meantime, I'll show you some other stuff.
Yes.
So here we have tasks. In tasks, you create a task. Be like, hey, I want to add a blog post on how Content HQ is the best podcast studio in South Florida.
That's right.
And so describe how we have hosted many influencers and marketers and are at the frontier of podcast studios. So be like that, and we'll create a task. So now we have this task. Now we could send this to Codex from here. And so you also have these tasks on your phone. And so you could just create the task simple, send it to the AI agent, and it can start working for you.
Nice. So if I wanted to just brain dump and put a bunch of tasks in here, but not send them to an agent yet, I could also do that.
Yeah. And
So-
also, guess what we have?
nice. What?
Notebook.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Brain
the notebook.
dumping.
Yeah, so if
Nice.
you want to brain dump,
Yeah.
you have the notebook.
That's great.
People are asking me, Avi, why do you have a notebook in a software like building application?
No, it's genius.
Because so look, check
Yeah.
this out. So you have look.
Yeah, because you like
Hey,
pop up with so many
I want
ideas.
to create a blog post, but guess what? If you highlight this, right, you could actually send it to the coding agent. Whatever you highlight,
Wow.
or you could create a task of it, or you can improve the prompt.
Wow.
So you could send it like this.
Cool. You could improve the prompt too.
Yeah. So you have to
That's
connect something
wild.
else called like API key. We won't do that right now. But basically, like that's the whole idea.
Wow, that's really cool.
Yeah. So you have like
That's
an actual
amazing.
notebook on mobile on your MacBook.
That's
that
so
you can
good.
start brain dumping.
So at like
on.
3 a.m.
Like you're
when I
telling your
can't sleep
employees
'cause
stuff,
I
start
have,
planning
like-
your
Yeah.
SOPs, your PRDs. SOP is like you know what that is.
Yeah.
And then the PRD is like your product roadmap. Like how do you want to design the entire website, the whole blog system, all that type of stuff.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
You also have prompt library. Right? So you could save prompts that you always send over and over again. Maybe you have a prompt that you like to say, hey, create 5 blog posts about blah, blah, blah. And you kind of send it every day, or like create 5 email templates to send to my customers of like happy Christmas or like Merry Christmas, whatever.
Yeah.
You could like do that. You know, so they could like think about email campaigns for you. You
Oh,
connect everything to your
nice.
super admin portal like we talked about before.
Wild.
You also have teams, so you can also invite other team members. They could share tasks with
Oh,
you.
nice.
Yeah. Then we have the chat system, so you could create tasks to chat. You have like the voice. But I'm going to show you the phone call soon. Actually, we'll do a phone call right now.
Crazy.
And I'm going to show you, it's actually connected to my account, but I want you to kind of get the idea.
Okay.
Hey, my PIN code is... Just a sec.
Make sure with this,
Thanks, Doug. You're all set. What do you want to get done today?
So I want to create 5 blog posts on how Content HQ is actually helping all the Miami influencers, businesses around the area. I want you to do some research on Content HQ, see what it's actually doing, and try to give me some 5 blog post ideas right now that we could create a task with.
Got it. One quick check before I suggest topics. Are these posts for Content HQ's own blog or for a Miami influencer/agency blog talking about Content HQ as a tool? In the
No,
meantime,
it's for Content HQ itself.
perfect. Before I do anything else, when you say research Content HQ, do you want me to only use what's publicly on your site and socials, or do you have internal notes you want me to pull from Notion too? While you answer, here are 5 blog post ideas that work even with minimal assumptions, written specifically for Content HQ marketing to Miami creators and creator-led businesses. 1, how Miami influencers turn 1 day of filming into 30 days of content with Content HQ. Sections: content capture workflow, how to organize assets, how to plan distribution, real Miami use cases, restaurants, fitness, beauty. 2, the Miami Creator Business Playbook, from brand deals to retainers, systems that scale.
So you're saying that Content HQ should talk about like retainers and scaling and actual business stuff as well, not just about podcasting?
Yeah, Content HQ's promise is we help creators and influencer-led businesses run their content like a real operation, then posts about retainers, packaging, client workflows, and scaling are perfect. You can still tie it back to content output, but from a business growth angle. To make the 5 topics match what Content HQ actually does, tell me one thing. What is Content HQ in one sentence? Content planning tool, an agency service.
No, I feel like they might be looking into, there's a Content HQ and then we're Content HQ Studios. So there's a website that if you go,
Content HQ?
yeah,
Oh.
so that's more of like a business, because I'm like, where's it getting
Yeah.
this business stuff? Because we do that, but we don't say it under Content HQ. So I'm kind of wondering, maybe it's actually looking into a website that's Content HQ rather than Studios.
Okay, I just want you to create a task, brother, and just create the task for me and save it for me, okay?
You're like, okay.
So he's basically your AI
wow,
employee.
that's crazy.
And then it can send stuff to your computer. I mean, and so it can send stuff to your computer, you're basically talking to your computer.
Wow.
Even together in one angle.
That's so nice, because then you
And
don't
so-
have to like it all out and things. You just a quick phone call,
Quick
which
phone
is
call,
wild.
sounds realistic, have a
Yeah.
conversation. Then, so you're basically controlling Zaviv. Like, I think that's Zaviv.
Yeah.
Bring Zaviv to life. And so Zaviv, that's what it kind of like a person name. Like
Yeah.
you have it on the mobile app, you have it on the desktop app, you have it on phone calls. So you're able to control your AI agents from everywhere, any single angle.
Wow.
You need a PIN code. You could be on someone else's phone, call your phone number, and send it to your
Wow.
computer without downloading anything.
That's crazy.
Hey, my phone's like, can I borrow your phone real quick? You know
Wow.
what I'm saying? Say your PIN code, now you have access to your AI agent on your computer from anywhere.
Wow.
It could be on anywhere in the world.
That's insane.
Yeah.
This is really freaking cool.
So-
And it was cool too, because he was actually thinking as well. Like, he didn't just spit out something.
Yeah.
Like, he was like, okay, so do you want this and this? And while you're thinking about your answer, here's already an answer for you of like ideas. But he's also thinking like a deeper level of like purpose you're doing it for, so that it could
Yeah.
be created in the best way, which was wild.
You're driving, you literally have no way to legally touch your phone.
Yeah,
Like
it's
you
true.
could be like, hey Siri, call this, and it'll call it.
Yeah.
And you say your PIN code and you have a conversation with
Wow.
it without even like touching anything.
That's wild.
Hands free. You know what I'm saying?
That's crazy.
So okay, so Codex just finished its plan. So now we could look over it. So it has like all these things, the entire plan, entire website. So honestly, I don't even think we should even look at it. I think we should be like, you know what, create it. Let's see what's
Okay, you're just like,
create it and then we'll edit it after. You know?
yeah. How would it create, like, actually create
So what you
a
do,
website right now,
Yeah,
or
yeah,
would
yeah,
it
yeah.
just
It
show?
will. It'll
That's
open it
wild.
up. So what I like to do is /goal. /goal will work on it until it knows 100% it's complete. So this could take 2 hours maybe, but honestly, we'll just run it right now.
Okay.
We'll see how it is.
How's it? So then, what would the name of the website be, so it doesn't mess with like our current live website?
It's not going to be published yet.
Oh, okay. That's what I was wondering. I was wondering if it was going to be live.
So I told you guys this is a beginner tutorial. Localhost.
Okay.
Localhost is only on your computer.
Nice.
So only on your computer you'll be able to see it. It's
Okay.
It's like a
Perfect.
file that you open. And
That's
it opens
perfect.
a website and it's in your browser, but it's not publicly available.
Wow, nice.
It's not hosted yet. Mm-hmm. You get me? So we're going to tell it, hey, /goal, create this website end to end until completion. Boom.
So then what was the /goal?
You do /goal.
Like,
So
what's
before,
/goal for?
So there's different slashes in Codex. You have
Mm-hmm.
/model. You can change the model, like the reasoning effort. We'll actually make a new tab. I'll show you all this stuff.
Okay, cool.
So if you want to make a new tab, you could do new shell over here, AI shell, or you could do new pane, same agent. We'll open the Codex in the same folder with the same agent. Fast. Another session.
So do that again.
Okay.
Okay.
So you do new pane right here, same agent, and it'll open it, like a new one.
Oh, okay. So then you could, so while the first one's working, these ones you could start
Exactly.
like another project
Yeah.
in. Okay, cool.
So then you'd be like, okay, you do /. So here's what the slashes are. Model. Right now we're using 5.6 Sol. It's like the best model you have from ChatGPT. Terra is like balanced, it's more affordable. And Luna, I said tuna. Luna is like super fast. Like it'll give you answers like this. It won't think too much, it's a little bit cheaper
Oh, okay.
on usage, but it's not like the 100, like you don't want that building your website.
Yeah,
You know
yeah,
what I
yeah.
mean, you want 5.6 Sol to build your
Yeah.
website.
So that's why it was like so in depth with its thinking.
Yeah, because we're using the best one right now.
Wow.
You know, we have /fast, right? So they can make it faster. We could have /permissions. You know, ask for approval, approve for me, but I give it full access. Right now we have full access. See, so right now it's actually coding. It's building the website.
That's insane.
So this is cool too. So this is called the MCP server. This is like the connection from Zaviv to everything else. So if we give Claude or Codex access to our MCP server, we could tell Codex, I want you to create 10 tasks in Zaviv to do blah, blah, blah. And then it'll actually put the tasks over here for you to see visually.
So where do I go to tell Codex to do that?
So what you do here, we're gonna set this up right now.
Uh-huh.
So we're gonna create this token, and then we'll tell this, we'll go over here, scroll down, and we'll go to Codex, okay? And we're gonna tell it, so we're gonna say connect to the Zaviv MCP server. And then we'll give it the instructions right here that Zaviv shows. And this is giving like actual Codex or Claude access. Like to just go and write stuff in Zaviv, write prompts, write tasks for your team, write notes in the notebook.
Okay, cool.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So like, for example, like question. So if I tell them, okay, I want you to every 2 weeks send out like the schedule to our team so that they can input what days they're available and then schedule them accordingly.
Yeah.
That's basically what that would do. Like then it would be like, okay, every 2 weeks,
Yeah.
since I told it to do
In
that.
Zaviv, do it in Zaviv, yeah.
Yeah.
And so that's why you want to have a computer also that's always on, so that like you don't
Yeah,
miss.
that
It's
makes
called
sense.
a cron job, so it won't miss that timer.
Okay.
Imagine you ever have like your phone, an alarm on your phone. You didn't
Yeah.
charge your phone's not going to go on. The
Yeah.
alarm's not going to go on.
Yeah.
It's the same type of thinking logically of like why you should always have your computer on, running and doing stuff. You get me?
Yeah.
Because you want that alarm to go
That's
off.
why
You don't want
everyone
your
was.
phone to die.
That's why everyone was buying those like little computers.
Minis, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
But the thing is, they were just making it for like something called OpenClaw or like Hermes. But those are great platforms. We actually have them here. But this includes everything. It gives you a mobile app, gives you a way to access everything,
Wow.
phone calling, all this stuff. And so I'm bringing everybody together as one big family to improve AI agents for everybody.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's wild. It's like the hub for
Yeah.
all these things.
It's the hub. It's
So you
really-
could use all of them like
look
intertwined.
so we have over 50 of them.
This is insane.
Over 50. So you know Codex and Claude, but these 50 other ones that people use that you might not
That's
know
wild.
about.
Yeah, no, I have nothing. I
But
have
like people use
no
it.
idea.
You get me? They might be cheaper. They might be
Yeah.
good at some other things.
Okay,
And so
yeah.
I give basically everybody access to all these,
Wow.
and they could just open all of them. As a
What
view.
is this one? I'm just curious. What is that?
Grok?
Yeah.
It's from Elon Musk, Twitter. So if you like pay
Yeah.
for like Twitter Premium, you get
Yeah.
Grok.
What is Grok?
It's like an AI.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's like
Interesting.
ChatGPT. It's actually so Grok. What's really good about Grok? It's one of the only AIs that have live, like feedback, like live news. You could tell Grok, hey, what happened 2 minutes ago in in Mexico, in this city. Like, what was the terrorist attack? that
Okay,
just happened?
that's pretty cool.
And then it'll like tell you what happened.
That's really
Like live
crazy.
news.
Wow.
And it's, people love using Grok for like the stock exchange trading because it gives you live data.
Wow, that's really crazy.
Because it also it reads off Twitter instantly.
Yeah.
So anything that's happening on Twitter or X, that's called,
Yeah,
you get live data on.
that's wild. That's really cool too.
Yeah.
Can it tweet for you?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's sick.
the Grok
Because then
API
even
tweet.
later, it's like obviously it's important to be on every social media platform. So I'm like, hey, tweet
Yeah.
for Content HQ every single day.
And in the
That's
super
wild.
admin portal, you could create like drafts of tweets, and then you could, from the portal, you could probably send it out
Wow.
and schedule them. Yeah.
There's so many
You could
things.
build your own system. You know?
So many things. That's wild.
So what we could do, now that we connected to MCP, we'll make a fresh new one.
Mm-hmm.
It's like updated. And we'll be like, okay, create 10 blog article ideas for Content HQ Studios.
Could we do like social media post ideas?
Yeah. So we do create 10, what do you want,
Social
Twitter?
media. Oh, Instagram.
Okay, create 10 Instagram post ideas for Content HQ
Studios.
Studios. Our current Instagram is
Content HQ Miami.
Content HQ Miami. Create the ideas based on what we already have posted before and save each post idea as a task in Zaviv.
Nice. Okay. So I've been trying to think of, we take so many photos and we have so many photos like in our Google Drive.
Yeah.
So I was wondering if like,
You
so
can scan it.
yeah, if they could scan
Yeah.
and first of all, since we take so many photos, you know, like a photographer has to like
Rename
go
them
through 'em
and see
and
what
like,
they are?
yeah, and like see which ones would be the best. So like based on like if the person's expression is good or things, I know that might be
Yeah.
like a little wild, but
Yeah.
like, can you take these 200 photos and like take them down to like 15 of the best photos
And
from
make a
the
folder.
shoot? Yeah.
Yeah, you could do that.
Really?
Yeah. You could do anything.
No, no
Yeah.
way. Okay. That'd be pretty crazy. Because I
Okay,
would love
so
to do that.
When
like,
you connect accounts, the best thing to do is make a fresh chat saying you want to connect an account. So I want to connect to my Google Drive account. Okay, and then it'll connect Codex to Google Drive. It'll then be able to read your stuff, and you can point it to the right folders or whatever, so it can be more specific.
Now-
And you tell it to analyze, and then let's say put all of them in a separate folder. You know what I'm saying?
yeah,
You could do that.
within like that folder, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And it could connect to, because it's on obviously like in the Content HQ Google rather than mine. So can I connect it to that one? To that Gmail?
Yeah.
Okay. Could I even tell an agent, like, go through my emails every day and delete any, like, of these specific emails?
Yeah.
Nice. And I have like over 3,000 emails, so I could be like, delete any of like these specific emails, or like go
Yeah.
through and like suggest
Yeah.
wow.
So do that
And then
right
I
now.
don't have to go through like and delete them all.
No.
Wow.
I'll do that right now.
That's crazy.
Okay,
Rent
scan
the
my Gmail for
runway.
emails that contain or are from
Yeah, are from
Revolve.
Revolve, Rent the Runway,
What is it?
Rent the Runway.
Which ones? Etsy?
Etsy. Yeah, let's start with that. Oh, and Reformation.
Reformation.
Yeah.
And archive all of them. Do this until completion.
So what would it mean to archive versus just like delete them?
I guess we could just delete them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because those ones are ones that are like, I
Yeah.
absolutely don't need to go through.
Okay, so say and delete all of them end to end. So now it's going to use a Gmail connection to scan all your emails, see which ones contain those, and then delete them. So I say I'm using the Gmail skill to search a full mailbox for messages from or containing those 5 brand names verify the match scope, and then remove every match. This is a destructive mailbox action, so I'll report exactly what was deleted and how many messages that couldn't be removed.
Okay.
So we'll have that run now.
Nice.
So that now it's saving you some Google storage space. It's like clean up your mailbox.
Yeah. It says couldn't access the mailbox because the Gmail connector isn't connected.
Okay, 1 second. Connect it for me.
We'll just connect it.
Let's
Just
see if we
like
can
tell
see
it,
what
just
the-
connect it. That's crazy.
Here, you see what we're doing right now? We're doing multiple things at the same
There's
time.
so many things.
But it's good.
Yeah, we're doing
Because
a lot of
now
things.
you're managing all your like employees basically. You have a whole team.
You're
You
telling
have all
each
the
one.
leverage,
Yeah.
and now you have all the Zaviv manageable from anywhere, like any place, anytime.
And then I've seen this with like another, I feel like I've seen something similar before with like the agents that you could see. So you could go back to the garden and you could see that they're like working.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So remember the Instagram ideas?
Yeah.
Now they're all in Zaviv.
Oh, wow.
So now you could see them. You could view
Wow,
them,
that's amazing.
all of that. You know, I just noticed right now. I
Yeah.
should add a share feature. Share like text or something.
With
To like
what?
iMessage or like AirDrop. I'm gonna add that. Now that I see it, I feel like that would be useful.
So where would you share it to?
I don't know, cause
Like
like
copy and paste it? Is that what you're talking
yeah, like just the copy and
Oh,
paste. Yeah.
okay. And it was so fast. That was like less than 5 minutes.
Exactly.
That's crazy. Okay, that's sick. And that's like the most basic task that I asked it to do. Like, so to think about all the things
It's pretty
it's about to
touch
do, which is
Over here,
insane.
just lock your phone. Yeah.
Revolve went away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. So it's
Let's
working.
see what else. Let's see. So Etsy's right here. Let's see if Etsy disappears.
Right now it still says it's searching.
Oh,
Oh no, it's deleting. Yeah, it's deleting them.
there's Etsy. So let's see if it deletes Etsy.
I might have to do this on my phone also. I think I got like a bunch of spam.
Yeah, I have.
I sent to
I
Etsy one
hate
time
emails.
and they push all the
Yeah.
emails. Like, here you go.
No, I'll probably ask it, be like, okay, what are all of the brands
Like
that I'm
list all brand
subscribed
names.
to?
Like, exactly.
Yeah, and like and then I could go through and like click which ones I want to completely delete forever.
Yeah, and I think it could also unsubscribe for you.
Probably that too.
Yeah.
Yeah, because even Etsy, for example,
not
like
gonna
I
prevent the
wouldn't,
problem.
I
They're
wouldn't
still gonna
unsubscribe
message you,
from
yeah.
that. But then like Revolve, yeah, I would totally unsubscribe for.
It's still processing all the
Yeah.
deletions.
Well, because it's probably it's probably going through like one by one, and there's like a lot of Revolve.
Well, so far, look at all the IDs. I think went over like 300 already. Look, I just deleted over 300 of them. Look, ID.
No
These are all email
way.
IDs. You can see all of them.
No way. Let's see. I want to search Revolve. Yeah, this is all the way back in like 24.
Yeah. And
No
those are the latest
way.
ones?
No way. These are literally all only in like 2024.
So it's just deleted like
Let's
2 days
see.
already.
They're all gone.
They're all gone?
They're all gone.
No way.
They're literally all gone.
worked.
Look, dude, that's crazy. All the way back to 2024. That's 2 years of emails from
Yeah.
just one
I
brand.
deleted 1,018
That's
emails.
insane.
I just did that in
No
3 minutes.
way.
I deleted 1,018 emails in 3 minutes within.
That's crazy. Oh my god, I'm amazed. Okay, if that's the bare
Welcome
minimum
to
that I
AI
could do, like
automation.
that's crazy. That's literally wild.
Yeah. So now we're gonna open Zaviv. We're gonna see all the AI agents right now working within the mobile app. Okay. So boom. Now you have all of them here. These are
Wow.
all the ones that are open,
Look at them go. That's crazy.
and so you can see that
I
Codex
have
is
a
actually
bunch
working.
now.
So you can see it's still working on the website, and you can swipe. Oh, yeah. And it'll load the other one. You could go over here in Canvas.
Mm-hmm.
You can see all of them in like a canvas view. Here, I'll show you here. All of them that are running. You can do this on your phone.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's really crazy.
Boom. So you could even have your phone like here
And do they have
and showing you all the ones that are running, and you could be on a different tab on your browser, and you could check on the ones that are running on your phone that are running actually on your computer.
No way.
Yeah.
So wait, with the tasks, like when you click on what they're working on, does it have the title at the top to show like which task is which?
Yeah, usually it does. Like sometimes it does.
Mm-hmm.
It has something called prompt logging feature. 1 second. So for example, like over here, you could like create the task. So you could create a task here.
Mm-hmm.
You could create with a voice session, generate with AI, quick to do, or new task. And so over here, you could press here. You press like, run on desktop,
Mm-hmm.
and you pick the coding agent you want.
Oh, okay, wow.
And you could create that.
Oh, wow. Okay, so there's the task. The tasks are there. They just have to be assigned
Yeah.
to the agent. Okay, I see.
Or you could just write them like directly inside like
Yeah.
the terminal shell. And then you press start AI agent, you pick here which one you want, if it's Claude, if it's Codex. You pick the model, you pick the permissions, you press launch. So like if I type in the mobile app,
Uh-huh. Oh,
it should like
wow.
update here. Yeah.
Crazy.
See? So you can see like the updates.
Yeah, I see. That's wild. So like you were saying with the connection thing, where do I go to connect like Monday and Slack and Notion? Or is that just like it's connected to Claude, so it's automatically collected in Zaviv?
So you could do it like that,
Uh-huh.
or you can manually like import in Zaviv. So you could connect we have integrations.
Oh, and I could probably also ask it, be like, hey, connect to Monday.
Yeah, no, but
Okay.
look, Zaviv has connections to Monday.
Oh, I see.
Asana, like ClickUp, all that stuff.
Nice.
So you go here, you you create like an API key in Monday, and then you plug into Zaviv, and then every time you have something in Monday, you have a folder in Zaviv, all your Monday stuff. That you could like send from Zaviv to Claude Code or wherever.
Oh, okay, wow.
Yeah. Yeah, now it's just working.
Wow.
Anything else in the email you want to clean up? Anything like?
I mean, the computer's doing a lot of work right now.
You could be like, hey, you could be like, yeah.
You know.
No, did you learn so far?
Yeah.
You learned a lot?
I learned a lot.
Learned a lot?
Yeah.
What do you think of Zaviv as a tool?
Oh, I think it's incredible. That's why it seems like it's so much easier to figure out how to implement things. And then, especially with there's like so many different AIs out there, I don't even know where to start. And so for this to have everything all in one and give you step by step on how to use them, like, okay, connect to this and things like that. And then I also really like the notes or the journal thing in there too. That's genius. Because literally at like 3 o'clock in the morning, I'll be like trying to go to bed, and then I think about like things that I want to implement or do, and then I write them down either in my like Monday to-do list or my journal app on my phone or whatever, like all over. So then to actually like put them in one place and then highlight it and then give it to like the task so it just goes off and does it, that's genius. I like that a lot.
And whenever you just need a brain dump, you just have it there.
Yeah, that's so good. That's so good. So out of curiosity, is there like different sections that I could create where it's like work and then personal?
Yeah, so you could, so over here, you can make different tabs.
Oh, cool.
So you can have another tab, and then when you go in the settings of the tab, you can name it. You can make an icon, you can make it a color.
Oh, cool.
Like all this up here and stuff. Like there's so much that goes into Zaviv.
Nice.
The potential of this software is going to be insane.
That's wild.
And I'm very happy to.
It's kind of like its own like Notion thing in there too, where you can like
that's
color
what I want
code
to do.
it.
Like I don't think there's. I think the hole in the market that I'm solving is the fact that you kind of have like that Notion style, that productivity style feel within the coding app. You get me?
Yeah.
I think a lot of them are missing. I think all of them are just trying to focus on the chat bot and they're not giving another interface to see all the stuff that goes around with that. And then like, why is there not a platform that kind of combines that type of Notion feel with the coding? And that's what I'm trying to bring.
Great.
I'm trying to bring also like the remote control aspect and like being able to do it from anywhere. Like the phone call stuff we went over.
Yeah, that was
like,
wild too.
Yeah, like the mobile app stuff. I'm spending a lot of time trying to make it easier for people in all realms. Okay, so Zaviv Motion is very interesting, right? I'm trying to get ready for the robots. So think about like the robots in the future. You see how we did the phone call thing?
Yeah.
You're talking to it?
Yeah.
I think the robots are gonna do the same thing. I don't think the robots are gonna be in the household just to clean dishes and fold your laundry.
Yeah.
I think you could talk to your robot, be like, come here, I want to send an email to Jack. You know what I'm saying? It'll send an email to Jack.
Yeah.
It'll do stuff. It'll connect with MCP, like I told you.
Yeah.
API, like all these integrations, whatever. Just integrations. Not the complicated terms. Just integrate.
Yeah.
It'll integrate with anything. And so, you know, maybe if the robots come, or even just right now with your computer, you wave your hand like this, it'll open the coding agent.
That's wild.
You know,
So then you
start
could
a
like
voice session like this if you want. You could play
Okay,
a song
so-
on your computer like this without the thumb. Like it's crazy. It's local only. It doesn't go to the cloud. Completely runs on your computer,
Wow.
like locally, and nothing
so
gets streamed for
wild.
that. So
Nice.
there's so much AI could do personally, health-wise, financial-wise, productivity-wise,
Yeah.
business-wise.
Yeah.
You know, even language learning-wise. Like you can do anything with AI in any way you want. You know, within
That's
one
crazy.
platform.
Can it talk to me and teach me Spanish?
Yeah, but I think the number one thing right now is like trying to get people to like build stuff. You know?
Yeah, no, totally.
But you have like the the regular ChatGPT app that can teach you Spanish.
Yeah.
It can teach you Spanish. It's using it within here.
Yeah, but it's
But,
like, why would you use it
It's
for
not
that?
a tutoring app.
Yeah.
I can send you some tutoring apps that I use. We have a lot of stuff here.
This is incredible, though. This is really, really great. I really like the organization aspect of it too, like customizing it, because everybody like learns and implements their learning and like their work differently. So it's really nice that you could customize it based on like how you flow in the best way. That's really, really great.
Yeah.
I like that a lot. That's
Zaviv.
really cool. This is really, really cool.
Zaviv.
This is amazing.
If we're launched right now and you guys are watching this, make sure to download it on the App Store. Download the Mac OS app on Zaviv.ai. If you're watching this before release, go to Zaviv.com, join the waitlist,
Yeah.
and it's about to change the future.
This is wild.
know?
I'm gonna be using this like all day, every day.
day, every day.
Like genuinely, I really am. There's so many possibilities that I could better my life in so many ways.
Yeah.
Like not only just in business, but like those little things. Like when you have so many to-dos stacked up in your own personal life, it like makes, and vice versa. Just like in business and personal life, when you have so many to-dos, it is like you get in a brain fog mode where you like don't know how to focus on one thing at a time, because as humans you can only focus on one thing at a time.
It's
So
hard
to have
it's
all
hard
these
to
things,
multitask.
yeah,
But when you give your idea to an AI agent, it's be working for 15 minutes.
Yes.
You could have another idea, give it to AI agent, it's working for another 15 minutes.
Yeah.
You go back to the other idea. It's not 100% multitasking. It is sort of multitasking, but because you have the buffer of waiting for the agent to finish, you could keep giving it more tasks. And
No,
and
yeah,
all that
you're
stuff.
delegating.
You're delegating all your
Yeah.
work, exactly. Like I told you before, if you're gonna say it to an employee, you might as well try to say it to AI to help you do it.
yeah.
And
They got a better memory.
yeah,
than
that
an
already knows
employee.
the entire
Yeah.
internet off the back of its head. So.
Yeah, it's crazy. This is amazing. Thank you so much for showing me all this too. This is really life-changing.
This is a genuine reaction. to
Yeah, no, for real. This is incredible.
Zaviv is
Honestly,
life-changing. Gabriella,
it really is.
make a quote for that.
Yeah, and I know nothing about AI and like all this world, so if I can do it, anybody else can do it. That's for sure. And especially walking through everything, it seems like it's pretty straightforward to like pick up and understand how to
it's
do
gonna-
it. Like you
the
just
education's
you
gonna
just
get
talk to
there.
it basically.
And I think over a million people use this within 2 years.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
I think this is gonna change the world, like, for real.
Yeah, absolutely. No,
I
it
think
is.
this is good at I'm not
Yeah,
doing
it
this for
is.
money. Like this idea I have.
Yeah.
I found like I have genuine passion when I built it, and I really want to help people.
That's beautiful.
And you know,
That's amazing.
anybody who uses this will help their business go higher, and that's why people will actually subscribe and use it. And I'm very happy with your genuine reaction that you actually like. 'Cause it's hard to fake a genuine smile, you know.
Yeah, no, totally. I can't wait to show you the website that it creates.
See you guys.
Nice.